Hi guys, it's Saturday, October the 19th, 2019, and it's about just gone 6 o'clock in the evening. We were given this GroCycle Mushroom Kit for Christmas last year. So it's been sitting around and I've never got round to doing anything with it. I had it in mind to do a time lapse, and that's probably what I'll still do, but we'll see if we can follow the instructions. This kit contains the grounds from 100 cups of coffee. Okay, first thing we do, cut out panel on front of box. This is the area where your mushrooms will grow. All your kit needs is fresh air, water and light. So that's the panel. Will it just pop out, or do we need to actually cut it? Well, that confused me. I seriously expected that just to pop out. I wonder if we can push it out from inside. It still doesn't want to come out. Oh dear. I'm trying to do this exactly as per instructions, so that was a bit more fuss than I expected. Next, cut across in the grow bag and soak overnight. Make the cross approximately 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Avoid cutting too deeply. So that is across there, isn't it? And it shows you doing it in the box. So I need to cut across there. But then we've got to soak it overnight anyway. It doesn't say how much. You're supposed to soak it. And do I just stick it in water and soak it completely? There is a video to watch, so maybe I ought to go and do that first, just to be on the safe side. But my perception is we completely soak it. I'll go and watch the video. Right, I've checked out the online video. I'll put a link to it in the video description. So all we do is we cut across in the middle here. It says about 10 centimeters. So we should now just check. Okay, so we've cut it and then take it out of here. That was just to get the alignment right. And you might be able to see on the left here, we've got a bowl of water and we're going to leave it in that overnight face down so that that can soak. It did say you can put a weight on top of it if you want, so I might find something to put on top of it. And we'll just leave that overnight, and then tomorrow I'll set up the time lapse upstairs in the front bedroom where I've got my time lapse booth set up. So that's as far as we're going here. Hi guys, left it soaking overnight. Just let it drain off and then put it back in the box. wipe over. So, there we are, back in the box. Check the instructions again. Cut cross on grow bag, soak overnight. Yeah, did that. Place in shaded spot and spray twice daily. Out of direct sunlight and away from heat sources. Now, my plan is to time lapse it, so I can't leave it in darkness. I'm going to have a light on for the time lapse camera, but it won't be in sunlight. So we will just find out whether it works. Next part of the video will be the time lapse. Well, this is very frustrating. I've been using this phone with a time lapse app on it. It's been playing up. I've been running it for nearly a week now, I should think, and it keeps stopping. Now, up until now, it really hasn't mattered much because nothing much was happening, but today it's really coming into fruit. So the only thing I can do is swap that phone for another one that I've got here that I think works. Now, the problem with this one is the maximum lapse I can put on it is 1 minute, whereas this one I was able to set it for much longer delay. I had it on 10-minute delay because there wasn't much happening. So I'm going to swap cameras now, so it'll be a different time-lapse app with 1 minute intervals on the pictures. So we'll see. So I can see lapse it is what I'm using there, and it's just not working for me. A ZTE Blade, that phone. This one is one of my HTCs. I can't remember exactly what this one's called. Z1000, I think. Right, well, we'll leave that one running and see if that works. I have it in the back of my mind that this one's got a problem too, which is why I'd stopped using them. Right, well, we'll see. Well, according to me, they're ready to harvest, because it said when the tops start curving over. So I'm just going to see if I can cut one off the edge here. Right. Well, let's see. Yep, that tastes like a mushroom. Rather nice. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.